Hi, I'm Liv. I'm super excited to be in this course, this online summer course with everyone. Um, I guess a little bit about me is that I have recently, like the past year, I guess, gotten into all the docu-series that have been released, like on Netflix and everything. So I think at this point I probably watched almost all of them. That are on Netflix. So if you're into that, I would love to chat with you about that. Um, I really like true crime investigation type things, or just exposing corrupt like businesses. That's always really interesting to me to hear about and learn about. But anyway, I am currently a junior going into my senior year at DePaul. So it's weird with like the summer courses, but fall quarter will be my first quarter as a senior. And I'm from Rockford, Illinois, which is about like an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes, like north of Chicago. And I don't claim to be from Chicago. If anyone in here is from Chicago, and the controversy. But one of the more surprising things about me, I guess I would say, is that I've had four hamsters since I moved here. Um, and I named the first one Miss Cheese, and she sadly passed away. And then I got three more and named them Cheddar, Feta, and Brie after her. So I think that's kind of a fun fact, I guess. But anyway, I'm excited to be in this class with all of you, and I'm excited to watch your videos.